What happens if you have a uppercase string and you want to change it? You can do it easily, you only need to use a special function. In this video I will show you how to do it. To show you how, we are going to define the variable text. All the string is in uppercase and we want to convert it in lowercase. To do it, we need to use the lower function and immediately all the string will be in lowercase. After running the code, we can see that all string is lowercase. If you don't like how it looks, don't worry because there is other functions that you can use. For example, we can capitalize the first letter of this string. We need to do the same than before, but instead to use the lower function, we use the capitalize function. We can see that all string is lowercase except the first letter. There is other cases. Maybe our string is all lowercase and we want to convert it to uppercase. We need to use the function upper to do it. The function returns a string with all the characters in uppercase. There is other ways to do it and more things to do, but you can start learning this. See you in another video and thanks for watching.